Hi, Matt Forbes here again with Automotive HQ, located right here in Carrollton, Texas. If you're like most people, you don't spend a lot of time looking at your insurance policy on a daily basis. However, you do tend to look at it at two specific times. Number one, when you're paying your premiums on a monthly or annual basis, or number two, when you've been involved in an accident or have damage done to your car due to a weather-related event. What I thought I'd do today is just cover the three basic types of insurance that are out there in terms of how they cover you and what it means to your policy when you use those coverages. The first one is very basic and is actually required by all cars operating on the road in the state of Texas. That's liability insurance. Liability insurance is simply there to provide some financial resources to pay if you were to hurt other people or property in the event of an accident. So it doesn't cover your vehicle or you, but the funds are there, the coverage is there to provide payment to that third party. From there, we have two other types of coverage. In addition to being sold with liability, you have comprehensive coverage and collision. Let's start with collision. Collision is exactly what it means. If you have collision insurance, that is meant to protect you and your vehicle in the event that you are in an accident, whether you're at fault or not. It's to protect your personal property and any injuries you may sustain. Comprehensive insurance, often sold with collision insurance, is a little bit different. Comprehensive is meant to cover everything else, usually considered non-fault claims. That might be something as simple as vandalism, theft, maybe an electrical fire, but here in Texas, more commonly used for hail or windstorms. Again, this is not the worst claim you can have on your record. Comprehensive coverage is there to protect your vehicle against acts of God. So in the event you have to file a comprehensive claim, because those are considered not at fault incidents, your premiums are usually not at risk to go up. So if you've experienced hail damage, whether it be in the last week or in the last year, feel free to give us a call at 469-381-7337. We are Auto Hail HQ. I'm Matt Forbes, and we take pride in your ride.